Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 12 of learning how to read the Quran. So I hope you're enjoying it so far. Right, today we're going to be starting a new rule here. So add a few letters here, and you're going to notice a new letter we're going to be introducing, which is this straight line that goes down. And so add some vowels onto this then. So on the ra and ma, and add a sukoon and kasra. Okay, so rah, just join them together then. So try pronouncing it. Rah. Now here is where you stretch. Ma. Yeah, rah. Mani. Okay, so here is the rule that we're learning today. When you get the ma or any letter and after it you get this line that goes up, which is known as an alif, you say the extra stretching ma. You stretch it a bit more. So pronounce it as ma. Ma. Okay, so that's the alif, that is. And all it does is stretches the letter before it. Ma. So rahmani. Rahmani. So give it a little stretch. Rahmani. Now it's written like this. If you put it all together, it's written like this. Rahmani. And sometimes if you look in the Quran, you'll actually find it written in another format. So let me show you how that's written then. So you have it written as follows. So rah. Now notice ma, the ma and the na join together, and the alif is represented as a small little line in the air. Rahmani. Rahmani. So pronounce it with me. Rahmani. Okay, that alif is exactly the same. Pronunciation is exactly the same. No difference at all. So Rahmani. So let's look in the Quran then. So here in Surah Al-Fatiha, we have this word, if you can spot it. Okay, so here it is. Rahma. Now notice that alif there in the air. Right, so Rahmani. Rahmani. And you also have it again here. So Rahmani. And all you have to remember is the alif there. Rahmani. Right, let's have a go with another word then. Okay, so let's write a few letters here then, and try joining them up. And remember, try applying what you learn wherever you see in the Quran. Try your best, and hopefully, inshallah, you should be able to pronounce it after some time. So let's add some vowels onto this then. So add fathas, a and la and na and bi and mi. Okay, so here, so join them together then, have a go. Bil. And now notice you have the alif there, so bil. Stretch it slightly. So bil lamina. Bil la mi. The ma is joined with the ya, so mi sukun na. Bil la mi na. Now this word is actually written with an alif, silent alif, just before the la, okay, the lam. So it's written there. So but it's pronounced as bil alamina. So this is, if you look at it in the Quran, you'll find it written in this format. So bil alamina. And in fact, in the Quran, you'll actually find the alif written as we showed earlier, a small alif in the air. So bil alamina. Bil lamina. Okay, so this is how it's actually found in the Quran itself. Bil a, and you have the vowels bil a lamina, and a small alif. Draw a small alif there then, just after the a, ain, bil a lamina. So say it with me. Bil a lamina. Bil a lamina. Notice the stretching of the voice as well. So here it is. Bil. So you join that alif is silent. Bil a lamina. Bil a lamina. So if you say it all together. Rabbil alamina. Okay, let's try one more example then of this. So let's have another letter ma, and then alif again, and the la, okay, and ka. Okay, so let's try this then. So fatha ma, and li, and ki. Now because of this alif, we're going to have to stretch the ma. So let's stretch it then. So maliki. Maliki. So it's pronounced like this then. So ma, stretch it, maliki. And now if we were to join all those together, it's going to come out something like this. So ma is joined to the alif, ma, and the alif doesn't join, so the la joins to the ka. Okay, so if you were to rub that out, then it looks a bit like this. So let's write it out once again clearly. So ma liki, ma liki. Okay, and now in the Quran, it's actually found like this. Okay, so they're both actually found in the Quran, you can find. But here's the one that we're going to show. So if it didn't have the alif, it would have been maliki. Now because it has the alif, we say maliki. So pronounce it with me then. Maliki. Ma, stretch, liki. Here it is in the Quran. Notice ma, liki. The little alif there in the air. So ma, liki. Ma, liki. Hope you understood this lesson. And if you have any questions, put in this in the comments below, please. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.